Is it a
I'm
platonic
playing.
relationship?
Okay.
What kind of
I'm
relationship?
playing a catalyst to this story. Someone whose eyes you're going to watch the show and the audience मेरी आंखों से शो को देखेगी. मैं मतलब आर्यमन की आंखों से शो को देखेगी. मतलब क्या होता है कि आप किसी कहानी को दिखाने की कोशिश करते हो. एक होता है सारथी जो है वर्ड है. वी ट्राइंग टू give emphasis to that because I believe that when you have relatives, आपके जो खून के जो रिश्ते होते हैं वही आपके साथी होते हैं in actual sense. तो फर्स्ट साथी आपकी ज़िंदगी में, और अगर वो आपकी ज़िंदगी भर के लिए रह जाए तो nothing can bow you down. And that's what we're going to see with Krishna and Mohan in this. कि कृष्णा उसके भाई के लिए कितना कुछ कर सकती है, अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी त्याग सकती है उसके भाई की सिर्फ छोटी सी मुस्कुराहट देखने के लिए. And that is what is amazing about this. And when you come to Aryaman's life, Aryaman has also loved and left everything in his life, sacrificed a lot of his dreams to just be a standing pillar for his family. When two of these kind of worlds collide, it's going to bring another Big Bang Theory, I think. But yeah, that's what happens, and it's a lovely space, lovely, and also we're trying to bring out awareness to a lot of different taboos in this world that we're living in. And since I don't want to put too much light on that into what it is, we would want the audience to watch for themselves and understand, so that because क्या अगर टैबू के बारे में बोल दो आप तो वो टैबू नहीं रहता. I think it's more important to show it in a story, and that's what we're trying to do.
Do you think in today's times friendship is significant?
I think today friendship
Who
is
is your best friend like?
back. My best friend is from Bangalore, back when I was in school days.
Oh, still going strong with
It is. And I think मुझे आजकल पता है मुंबई में क्या होता है ना, दोस्त हैं बहुत सारे. And I consider a lot of people very close to my heart. But इतना fast paced है सब कुछ, इतनी हर कोई इतना busy है अपनी ज़िंदगी में कि you can't be that kind of a best friend like how we used to have when we were children, right? स्कूल में जो हम लोग बिताते थे, जो कॉलेज में हम लोग रहते थे, वैसे नहीं हो पाता है अब. ज़िंदगी इतनी आगे बढ़ चुकी है, हम लोग इतने हसल में रहते हैं हर दिन कि आप हर बार कांटेक्ट में नहीं रह सकते उन लोगों से. तो आई थिंक that's the friendship we got to accept and love the fact that we're living in a world like this, but also have pros and cons about it. We know the pros and cons about it. So हाँ, back in Bangalore, Zuhair is someone who I would consider a very good friend. यहाँ पे गुरप्रीत है जो मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है, and we're very close to each other.
Relationship.
Lovely relationship, you know. We come
4 a.m.
हाँ हम लोग बीच में 4 बजे कुछ भी बात कर सकते हैं, अंधाधुन. तो हाँ, that's a lovely space to be in.
So nice. You said that this guy also sacrifices a lot to fulfill the dreams of their here. In real life also, ironically, you've struggled a lot. If I remember, you traveled in your car day and night. How do you look at your growth from there to here?
First of all, if
And
I
achieving
say
success and rejections, what is your viewpoint?
If I say struggle, I don't like that word too much.
Okay,
honestly,
yes, you shouldn't,
you know, it's a very negative outlook to what you've done in your life. I think it's a journey that I've had to go through, and it is nice. It was something that's taught me a lot of things in life. If I wouldn't have had that, I probably wouldn't have been here. And I think everybody needs to go. Struggle क्या होता है? Struggle वो होता है जो रास्ते पे रह के हर मील के लिए तड़प रहे हैं. वो स्ट्रगल होता है लाइफ में. ये स्ट्रगल थोड़ी होता है. कार थी आपके पास, मैं कार में सो रहा था, वो स्ट्रगल थोड़ी ना, वो मेरी चॉइस थी. मैं घर वापस चला जाता तो मेरे पास घर भी रहता है ना. तो ये स्ट्रगल नहीं बोल सकता मैं. मेरी जर्नी थी जो मैंने चूज़ की रहने के लिए. दीज पीपल हु आर लिविंग देयर इन दैट स्पेस ऑफ लाइफ, उनके घर के ऊपर छत नहीं है, उनकी छत में अगर बारिश पड़ती है तो पूरा घर डूब जाता है. ये स्ट्रगल होते हैं लाइफ. वहाँ जहाँ पे वॉल्केनिक एशेस चलते हैं वहाँ लोग मर रहे हैं. देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स, wars and destructions, people going on and killing people for no reason. That is what is struggle of life. And I think this is not a struggle. This is just a journey that I've gone through in my life, and the journey has been beautiful. And I've embraced every minute in it. Stayed, not stayed, slept outside, slept in the car, not had money, ate sirf chai and biscuit for stuff like that. And that is all something I wanted to do. I enjoyed it. You know, मुझे उस वक्त बुरा लग रहा था भले ही, बट मुझे लग रहा था कि ये इस वक्त का है और मैं इससे आगे बढ़ूंगा, और जिस दिन मैं बढ़ूंगा मुझे इस चीज़ के बारे में याद करके मुझे अच्छा भी लगेगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस राइट.
You're such a handsome hunk. You deserve to be on the cellulite, the big screen.
And-
What's keeping you away?
दे दो कोई काम. मैं क्या मना कर रहा हूँ. नहीं यार, कोई देगा तो छोड़ी तो छोड़ेंगे, बट दैट्स अगेन अनदर जर्नी. यू विल हैव टू. देखो ऐसा होता है कि कई बार आपको कोई साइन कर लेता है और कहेगा कि आपको बड़े पर्दे पे हम ला देंगे, फिर वो उसमें कई साल बीत जाते हैं, है ना. आई हैव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज.
Like?
Like my family, I have to. I'm fending off everything. है ना. I have responsibilities to take care of my parents, and I am going to do that till the last breath. Right?
So nice.
I don't care मुझे उसके लिए क्या करना पड़े, और मैं अब तब तक मैं सिर्फ काम करता रहना चाहता हूँ. मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में काम करता रहता हूँ. मैं किसी चीज़ के लिए वेट नहीं करना चाहता. काम के लिए स्पेशली मैं करूँगा काम जहाँ मुझे मिलता रहेगा, जहाँ जहाँ मुझे मिलता रहेगा, सिर्फ यही करूँगा, वही करूँगा, वो नहीं करूँगा. मैं उस दौरान मुझे कोई बड़ी चीज़ भी मिलती है, मैं उस चीज़ को भी करूँगा. लेकिन ये कहते हैं ना कि आपको टेलीविज़न छोड़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म में घुसना पड़ेगा. मैंने ये मैं नहीं करूँगा. ये मुझे लगता नहीं कि गलत है. कुछ अपनी अपनी चॉइसेस होती हैं, और मैंने अपने लिए कुछ चुना है. और मैं अपनी, जैसे मैंने सारथी की बात की है, मैं अपने परिवार के लिए सारथी हूँ, और मुझे उस सारथी बनकर बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को पूरी करनी है. मुझे आई लव दैट, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कीप डूइंग दैट.
Okay. Faman is the Sarthi of his parents also. It's a rare found son. You're fulfilling all the duties, you know. What message would you like to give to the sons of today who do not keep their parents, especially in the old age, you know, that they don't take care?
It is the most amazing feeling in this world to have your back, to have your parents back. It doesn't give, nothing in this world can give you pleasure the way that does. Just to see a smile on their faces, just to see them proud about what you've done in your life, and just to make them feel that you're always going to be there for them. It's the most beautiful feeling in this world, and never let that. Don't not let yourself go through that.
Right.
I mean, if you'll be stupid if you're letting your parents not feel that for you. If you're going to be stupid if you do not feel that for your parents. So I think I give you the advice to please always make sure that you are there for your parents and you love them, you take care of them, because you don't know what they've done for you.
They supported you when you're to fulfill your
Yeah,
dreams.
yeah, totally.
You always wanted to become an actor.
I wanted to become a
What
cricketer
was-
first,
Ah.
पर एक्टिंग भी चली रही थी साथ. क्रिकेटिंग में इंजरी हो गई तो मैं आई कंटिन्यूड बीइंग द एक्टर एंड ट्राई टू टेक इट मोर सीरियसली, एंड आई टुक इट सीरियसली एंड डिड दैट आफ्टर.
Taking care of the family, you're supporting. When is the family going to extend?
ये पता नहीं यार. मुझे लगता
So you're
है
handsome, huh?
प्लेटोनिक. क्या बोला आपने?
Platonic.
प्लेटोनिक क्या आता है वैसे?
Platonic means a very friendly relationship.
अच्छा, वो
Not-
friend. So that's not.
Yeah.
So मुझे लगता है कि वो it's something that happens organically.
It
should
must
happen.
have happened. How
Everything
many
should
times?
happen. Everything. That's a different story. I didn't make families there. The making of the family should be organic, and love should come, and it will happen on its own.
Okay, what is love to you? These guys are on my head.
Friendship, compatibility, being there for each other. Sarthi again. Just having each other's back, no matter what. Accepting that person the way she is what love is, and having no conditions on that, and no expectations, just love.
Okay.
Love conditions apply is wrong. I love you but conditions apply. मुझे वो लगता है कि बहुत ही आजकल की दुनिया का प्यार है.
हाँ.
हमने नहीं
झूठा
किया.
ना?
मैंने जब प्यार किया था मैंने टूट के किया था, और अगर
किससे
नहीं किया
किया
तो क्या
था?
मतलब है?
किससे किया?
अरे स्कूल की बात है.
अच्छा, that was your puppy love.
Puppy love.
So
पर
when
टूट
you
के
grew,
किया.
but when you grew up as a youth,
Still when.
this is the time when you should fall in love.
है ना. अभी हो गया है प्यार, मुझे लगता है काम से इतना कि मैं उस चीज़ को छोड़ के जी नहीं सकता, है ना. यही तो प्यार होता है यार. Understanding, acceptance, unconditional
Exactly.
love, not having any expectations, just keep doing what you're doing and be there for that person, be there for that thing. I am there for that thing, for this industry, for the world.
Okay, lastly, what would you like to see a woman, qualities of a woman?
I think every human being should be in a quality that way. Just be understanding, accepting, unconditional, not have expectations, love with all your heart, and I've started to share things. I think understanding and sharing is very important, and फालतू के कॉम्प्लिकेशंस मत ले आओ जिंदगी के.
Exactly.
Normal love.
Exactly. So Pawan is single.
Very much single.
Ready to?
Not yet.
Not yet. God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.